Hi friends, this video shows how to change USB configuration. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go down, select system, go down, select about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button or select button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find new option called developer options. Select it. These are the list of developer options. From this list let me find networking section. See networking. Under networking we can find select USB configuration. Select it. So these are a list of USB options. Here we can change USB configuration. See the options: charging, MTP, media transfer protocol, PTP, USB Ethernet, MIDI. So let me change this to USB Ethernet. See, so this way we can change USB configuration. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.